I really value the fact that we start in our regional office and we have a little bit of time to debrief so that we're hearing about, again, common issues or the issues that are coming up at doors and how we may want to be more informed about those things, ways that we can support members in thinking how they can become involved in their local to work on some of those issues. We get our lists and we head out, and very often when you're in a geographic region, you're going to hit a number of members who are teaching in the same school district, and it might not be at the same schools, but you begin to hear issues that are the same, and it allows you to be in a position to kind of reassure people that, oh yeah, I'm hearing that at a lot of doors. That's comparable to things I'm also hearing. And one member's told me this is a way that they're trying to affect some impact on that. Do you see yourself connecting with others to maybe do that as well? So there's a lot of listening. I like to say to people, I might not have all the answers, or I probably don't have all the answers, but I'm a good listener, and MTA is really interested in hearing about what's impacting you and your local so that it can help to shape the initiatives that are driving their work. There's an overwhelming sense that people are really grateful that their voice is being heard in some way.